Welcome to Jordan Morrison Racing. I love cars, motorbikes, anything with an engine.
That was the worst night's sleep ever. It is 10 to 7, and the reason why I'm in a sleeping bag in my van is because we are at Anglesey, and we are at very, very wet track day at Anglesey. But you know what? These things happen. We got here last night. I'm here with Adam and Johnson, two good mates of mine. As you can see here, oh, the beautiful baby is sat there, ready for a track day. God, I need to go back to sleep.
So I'm here at Anglesey. I've come with my mate Adam and Johnson. Adam's on a Gixxer 750, he's in the novice, and Johnson's come on a Bandit 1200. He was going to bring his Aprilia RSV4, but you know, he's not been on a track day in a long while and it's a bit risky, and with it being so wet here, the weather is pretty bad at the moment, so let's hope it dries out. But from there, we've managed to get a garage this morning, which is a bonus considering the weather. So we're going to stick all the bikes in the garage, go and sign on, and then we've got the briefing and hopefully jump on and see how it goes. This will be my second track day on the CBR with all the new livery, so the bike looks nice. I've just got to get a lot better at this. Here we are at Anglesey. Adam's ready, getting naked. It's very wet in it. So it's intermediates, advanced, and then us, novice. This should be fun. I'm going to try and get some tuition today. What about you, Adam? You going to try and get some, or you not asked? He's coming off. Doing an update. Where are you going? What are you getting? There's a bacon butty. I'll give you some money. I do this all the time. A tomato, please. Cheers, mate. Just checking in, guys. It's now dinner time. It's been a very wet day at Anglesey, and I love this CBR for the price and how it handles for my first sort of track bike. It's been great. Shame about the weather today, but as it's been going, I've picked up my confidence as we've been going around, and I'm pretty happy with everything. So hopefully it's starting to dry up. We should get 3 sessions in this afternoon. I can tell a massive difference from doing my first track day at Cadwell Park to being here now. So 3 more sessions here at Anglesey, and then I've got another track day booked at Donny. So I'm just improving as we go along. I spoke to a couple of lads here who've done several track days, and you know what, they've really helped me talk about body positioning and where it should be on the bike. And I think the thing with these track days is people are here to help you, not to say I'm going to beat you or whatever, and I think it's quite a nice atmosphere. I mean, if you look in the garage here, with 2 other lads, never met them before, and just have a good chat. They've got their bikes, we've got ours, and I think everyone's having a good time. So hopefully this afternoon we'll put in some better laps. I wanted to get some tuition, but there didn't seem to be any on offer, unfortunately. But hey ho, let's crack on. Back onto the main straight. I've obviously planted the power too early, and it's proper just whipped me. Not come off the bike luckily, but that's my first near miss. Jesus Christ, it's pretty scary that. Yeah, bit of poo definitely come out, but I'm all right. So, you know, bike's all right, I'm all right. It was good to do because now I know where the limit is, I think, and it was my mistake, that totally my mistake. I was planting the power too early. I'm getting good practice, and you know, we're gonna learn from that. So yeah, it's good fun. But Adam's on his way here now. Got him well trained. He's got my brew, looking like a blue Power Ranger. That's all you get out of Adam. Don't ask me why he's my friend, because he's boring. But he is brew boy, so that makes up for it. What's just happened to me, Adam? Just
nothing big.
Nothing big, mate. That was scary.
We run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on the lamb, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand.